started. I watch people all over the YouTube that I see are doing YouTube. I don't know why I just said that, making it along while I'm singing. I don't even know if this is rapping. I'm gonna start in a second while you coming. Wow, I don't know why I'm going this slow. If you know, killing me. If you don't, I will eat. If you don't tell me where my cat is, and I'll tell you that you'll be in the whiz. I don't know why I just said that, cause I'm missing my cat. She ran away a couple days ago. If you don't tell me where she is right now, I will tell you, go up in a tree. If you don't find the cat in the tree, I'll throw you in the dumpster and you'll glee. I don't know where my cat is as we speak. I think she's in my living room watching TV. I don't know what to sing after this part. I barely know what to do after this